Zora is actually two apps in one. The navigation app you use every day on the boat, and Zora Setup, a separate app for configuring the system itself. You don't need setup underway. You open it when you add hardware, wire a sensor, or change how the system is put together. Let me show you how to get there. Tap the Zora logo, top left. Tap Settings. In the System Settings list, tap Zora Setup, the second entry. Then, on the right, tap Open Zora Setup. You're in. The home screen shows 7 modules. Before the tour, one thing to know. Zora Setup uses the same help system as Zora. Tap the Help button on any page and you get help for the section you are looking at right now. Now let's take a quick tour. First, connections. Zora Setup automatically detects which server is installed, server version 2 or version 3, along with every connected module. From here, you configure all the inputs and outputs of Zora. Next, add-ons. Extensions like autopilot, cameras, MQTT, data history, integrations, and more. A dedicated video walks you through add-ons in detail. Then, stations. This is where you configure each mini PC and what it drives: monitors, keyboards, mice, volume, brightness, and much more. There's a dedicated video on stations. Data browser. The management page for every Zora data path. Filter incoming data. Calibrate it. Set source priorities when several inputs publish the same value. Run range validation, and more. Each capability has its own dedicated video. The last 3 modules are coming soon. They're all about notifications and Zora's intelligence for situational awareness. Rule Engine. Define your own notification rules. Machine Learning. Anomaly detection. Model per data domain. And AI Agent. Intelligent assistance that helps you respond when a notification needs attention. That's Zora Setup. Open it from the logo menu, pick the module you need, and the dedicated videos walk you through each one. To get back to Zora, click the button in the top left labeled Back to Zora. If you made changes that require Zora to restart, you will get notified before returning. And you are back to Zora. All your settings and changes are saved and applied.